Alright, go ahead.
Come on!
Are you kidding me?
It's like eating
Hurry up!
It's like
Come
eating
on!
box. It's like eating box.
Oh my god.
Come on, let's go!
Come
Come on, you got it on your nose!
Yeah, it's only true, guys.
You've been taking the macaroni.
Oh my god, yo.
Looks like Jerry's winning!
This stuff
Come
on
on!
cheesecake, it's easier.
Look at this kid, he's an animal!
I got a drink.
Oh no, this is disgusting. Looks like Jerry's winning!
Why, Jerry?
Jerry can take his time. Jerry's fun!
He's smart.
Come on, look at Jerry, look at Jerry.
Come on, Jerry.
It's so easy to eat.
I know, because he got cheese.
Hey.
He does, Jerry.
Stick your face in it! Stick your face in it!
Oh my goodness.
You're posting on an unfair match!
Yo, ABC's
How's
remember.
it unfair?
Jerry, it's not
He's
fair.
eating like a savage.
He's licking it.
Suck it up!
He's being smart.
Tony's like, Tony's like licking it.
Oh,
Yo, it's working, yo, Jerry, it's going to catch up, man, hurry up!
Who has cleanup?
No, nobody up front, come on, let's go, don't let.
That's what I know.
Fucking hard,
I think I lost my appetite. Hot is gonna come out with like a roll.
And you know what, I can still eat a cookie.
It's a little salty but sweet at the same time. That's tough.
That's good.
Why did you do that to us? You can't finish it.
Oh my god, no, you can't be an animal.
Don't cheat.
Oh.
Don't cheat.
You're so stupid.
Oh my god.
Aw, you're dropping it everywhere.
8. 3 more pounds on your both back.
All you gotta do is go to Coney Island, man. He's got a big hot dog.
Yeah.
That's not Scott. I'm about to throw up from laughing.
Take on Kobayashi.
Here goes Matthew Richards.
No, me and you, fried chicken.
I know. You're eating that!
Right or no?
Come on, Ria.
It's so dry now.
Eat the crust.
Tomorrow it's gonna be on YouTube.
Eat the crust.
For real?
I get it hard at the end. I got easy in the beginning.
Do I feel your arteries clogging as you're eating?
That was silly. Yeah, I know.
Hurry up, Jerry. Come on. You gotta eat the crust too. You gotta eat the crust,
Eat
man.
the crust.
Eat the crust! Eat the crust! Eat the
Stick that shit in your mouth.
Oh, you close your mouth.
Oh, Jerry, what's all that white stuff on your face?
Moving, like you're moving in a different side. We're like throwing up.
Get all this.
Pick yourself up.
Alright!
Wait, whoever wins gets $5.
Don't forget the stuff on the table. You gotta lick the table.
Hey, whoever wins gets $5.
Oh,
the other
really?
person. From the other person.
It's hard. Good thing I'm not doing it.
How's that Asian eat 52 hot dogs in a minute?
Yo, he's won for like 8 straight years, too.
There's one on the back table. Oh,
I'm never gonna eat this cake again.
Ate it off the table.
Jerry is now an anti.
You're gonna go to the bathroom and throw it with me, or?
I have a feeling Antonio's gonna win this one.
Yeah, man.
And he had more cake, too.
I have the whole fucking thing. Come on, Jerry.
Hey, you know, guys, this is chocolate.
Jerry has more experience with shoving shit into his mouth. But Antonio is more of a crazy fuck. Jerry's used to having white stuff on his face too. But Antonio isn't. Jerry to the left, Antonio to the right.
I'm right there.
Not yet, it's not over.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
This guy looks so sick, he looks like he's ready to hurl right
Not
now.
over until the fat man shits.
Gotta finish the chocolate. You gotta finish the chocolate. He ate the crust.
Yeah, man.
Remember those mozzarella sticks?
Hell, yo, I couldn't even eat 2 pieces of that cake.
Eat it! It seemed like both of you was taking a
You know, one time my winners was bathroom after doing this. Jerry gave up. Jerry, you give up?
That's it, man. We're both done.
The winner
Let's
is...
fucking call it quits, okay?
Antonio's the winner. Antonio's the winner.
We should like...
Antonio's the winner.
It's finished. I won though.
It's not done. Yeah, you guys.
What do you call all this?
I'll be the judge.
And this.
Y'all was kind of tied.
That is disgusting. That is disgusting. Who won?